Hello again, everybody. Drew Johnson here, East Region Grain Origination Manager with Agtegra with the weekly market update. The markets have been steady to mostly higher this week, so let's get into it. On the corn side of things, the December futures contract seems to be having a tough time breaking through the 425 futures level, but is holding support right around 420. Overall, the corn market has been steady on the week. Ethanol production has been one bright spot, with output this week reported at 1.112 million barrels per day, or 3.5% higher than the previous week. Ethanol stocks fell 700,000 barrels from the previous week to 21.9 million and down 300,000 barrels from this time last year. U.S. harvest progress is pegged at 60% complete as of Monday. However, without USDA reports to confirm that information is anecdotal. If December futures can break through the 425 futures level, the next spot of resistance would be right around 434. On to the soybean side of things, the soybean market pushed higher this week on optimism of a U.S. and China trade meeting at the end of the month. Soybeans were also supported by the soybean meal and soybean oil markets. The U.S. soybean harvest is wrapping up. Brazil's planting progress is estimated to be 24% complete versus 18% this time last year. And overall, the soybean market has pushed through some key resistance points and is starting to inch closer to that 10.5 futures. On to the wheat side of things, the wheat market is moving higher on news of U.S. and Europe expanding sanctions against Russia to pressure them into a ceasefire with Ukraine. And demand is also picking up, with Algeria purchasing 600,000 tons of milling wheats, and some of that was U.S. durum. Wheat still has a hill to climb, as the Argentina crop looks really good and U.S. weather forecasts continue to promote precipitation in the U.S. winter wheat belt. Harvest continues to advance across Agtegra. For updates on market or pricing strategies, please contact your local grain marketing specialist. For more information on location dumping hours, please visit our website or enroll in our text alerts, which can also be found on our website. We are here to help. That's what we do. Have a safe harvest, everybody.